Hi guys, it's Susan from Marytown Crafts, and today I just have a quick little project share for you. These tags that I made using digitals from PolkaArtStudios, and I'll link that in the description box below. This won't be a full tutorial or anything, but if you are interested in that, I'd be happy to do a craft along with me video. If you want to see exactly how I made them and stuff, just let me know in the description below. But anyway, these are double-sided, and how I got the gold around the outside is this metallic gold marker that I got at Hobby Lobby. They're over there where all the other markers are. And the beads are just some that I had in my stash just forever. And just a little, these really pretty jump rings. I don't know if they show up, but they're kind of, what's the word, hammered, and they're just a little bit shinier, and those I got at Hobby Lobby. Just a little bead cap on the end and a little bit of gold chain, little lobster clasp. And I do think I got this one at Hobby Lobby, but you can get a bunch of them in a pack at Dollar Tree for a whole lot cheaper. For these little eyelets, I just punched these out of thick paper, and I went around and marked those with the same gold marker. Each of these tags is a little bit different. For this one, I'll show you the front of it. Let's see, I guess that's the front. Just added a little gold leaf, and it's a little bit different shade of gold than the chain, but that's okay. I think it still came out pretty. All of them are double-sided. Oh boy, now I don't I don't remember. Is this the one that I already showed you? Okay. My memory, guys, it's going. Anyway, just a little small leaf and a little gold disc at the top. And this one, so I showed these to my husband, and he said, well, those are pretty, but what are you going to do with them? And good question, right? Because I don't know. Would you put them on a spine? Would you add them to a dangle? Would you clip them to the top of a page with a lobster clasp? I don't know. If you have any ideas, please leave them in the description box for me so I'll know what to do with them. But anyway, just wanted to share those, and like I say, let me know if you'd like to see a full tutorial. Well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Have a great day, guys.